Come on. Sorry.
It's better now that it warmed up.
Seems to be faster, yeah.
It's a lot faster. Especially coming through that magnet brake, you notice it.
Oh, yeah.
Because before it was killing off that airtime of that little hump quite a bit. Now it didn't kill it that time.
Yep. Because train number 2's in there somewhere.
What's that?
Second train's in there. Don't really need it today, but
no. It's running better now that it's warm. Now I'm understanding how it made the top on people's lists.
Yeah, it's good pacing.
It's really well paced, and once it's warm, it runs much better.
Don't forget yourself.